read DTC codes. Let's take a look. P0100. Let's go ahead and take a look at what P0100 is. It actually tells me it's a mass airflow sensor circuit misfire, malfunction. So let's go ahead and reset that, clean that housing out. Sometimes there's dust particles, dirt that get in there and mess things up. So from what I'm reading on the forums is I'm supposed to be cleaning my MAF every time I change the air filter. Alright, check engine light there. I'm gonna turn it off. Turn it back on. I've driven about 50 miles commuting back and forth to different appointments at work here, and the CEL hasn't come back on, so whatever we did to mitigate that seems to have worked. And you know, you see this type of stuff creep up on you from time to time when you have a modded car, right? So obviously my car has an aftermarket throttle body, I have aftermarket cold air intake, so you know, every so often the MAF sensor will trigger a false event or something like that, and then you know, you can have a check engine light. I do have my S60 tuner, so I can go ahead and look at it, see exactly what the issue is, and then clear the code. So I did that. Anyway, so that's done. What I also wanted to talk about is last night when I was on the interwebs, I saw the leaked info on Mustang6G.com around the upcoming 2020 Shelby GT500. Alright, this guy wants to run. Okay, I'm in the middle of talking to you guys and this guy is trying to race me here. Look at this idiot. Look at this idiot right here. See that black Challenger? That black Challenger wants to run me and we have nothing to do, so he's just revving the shit out of his car. Yeah, that's the type of crap I deal with when I drive the GT500. So, if you're trying to race me, or anybody for that matter, don't be this guy. You know, if we're in traffic, don't be revving the crap out of your car. Going back to the stats on the car, so it has 720 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. It's got 373 gears, and it weighs 4,225 pounds, and it has a top speed of 190 miles per hour. So there's a couple of gripes I have here. So granted that we don't know what the actual transmission in this car is, whether it's going to be a DCT only or manual and DCT, whatever. We don't know that yet. So we can't speak for the acceleration on it. However, if you look at a car like a GT500, it's always supposed to be the car that's readily accessible to the everyday man, but provide you with supercar performance, right? Now, 190 miles per hour, that's a crazy top speed, but you got your Challengers doing that now. You got all the supercars are doing more than 200 miles an hour. So for Ford to put out something that only does 190 miles an hour is ridiculous. This car, the 2013 GT500, when it was new, was able to do 202 miles an hour top speed. That's how it was advertised. And it had at that time when this car was released, 662 horsepower V8 was the strongest, most powerful production V8 available. So that needs to happen to the new GT500. I hope these rumors and leaks are just speculation and not the real deal, because Ford needs to step up and get us to at least 750 to 800 horsepower range, just to be in the conversation as, hey, yeah, you know what, I'm going to come to the drag strip with enough motor. The other thing is just the weight of the car. 4,225 pounds. Are you kidding me? The Challengers, the Hellcats, are the laughing stock of being so heavy in the sports car world. You know, we call them yachts, right? Land yachts. It's embarrassing if a car is going to weigh 4,225 pounds and be called the GT500. The GT350 is around 3,800 pounds, and to me that's a porker. Why would they need to do an additional 400 pounds is beyond me. Hopefully these numbers aren't real, because if that's the case, you know, check please, I'm out. You know, I'm going to mod this thing and keep on playing with my existing GT500. Anyway, comment below. Let me know your thoughts on the leaks. You know, what do you think of the stats? What do you think it should be? Is Ford bringing enough performance to the table based on these stats? And what your feelings are on it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.